We needed the rain, we got the rain, and it came overnight, which means we don't really have to deal with it during the day or during your commutes, which is good news. But there are still lots of wet leaves out across the area, which could slow you down a bit. So just play it safe, take it slow out there. It's been a while since we've had to drive in any wet conditions, and we finally did get some much needed rain last night. But even though the clouds are in place right now, you can see the sun just trying to peek through. We're at 61 degrees, very, very mild for the time of year. And this blowtorch wind from the southwest, 16 miles an hour, just a ripping wind out ahead of a cold front. But this is going to be kind of a two-phased, double-barreled cold front, so to speak. One coming through this morning does not have much cold air with it, but the second front, which is all the way up across the Great Lakes right now, that'll come through overnight. That one comes through dry, no more rain expected, but what it will do is switch the winds and draw in some cold Canadian air for tomorrow and Wednesday. So right now, just a couple of showers still clearing the coast, clipping Cape May County, clipping Sussex County, Delaware, but otherwise we are going to start to see the clouds break from northwest to southeast pretty quickly here today. A look at the past 12 hours, you can see much of the area picked up between 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch of rain. We had some locally higher amounts, mainly over Maryland, where some spots got close to an inch. Didn't see those numbers really in our local area, but we did pick up about 1/2 inch of rain in Wilmington, Delaware. That helps. That's better than just getting a couple of hundredths of an inch. 1/2 an inch, you know, not bad. A good start, at least, to kind of breaking out of this dry pattern. Atlantic City Airport picked up 0.41, Millville and Coatesville, also Philadelphia, right around 1/3 of an inch, and in Allentown, just over 1/4 of an inch of rain from yesterday evening through this morning. Today's high is 70. So again, the cold front does not have much cold air with it. A breeze will pick up from the west, but it is still nice and mild for your Monday. 70 degrees out there today, but it cools down tonight. Tonight, mainly clear, seasonably chilly, not too cold tonight, but temperatures will go nowhere tomorrow. Winds become more northwesterly. Winds could gust up to 25 miles an hour, and the high tomorrow is only 54, more than 15 degrees cooler than today. It's crisp, it's chilly, but we will see lots of sunshine for tomorrow. And then we've got another chance for showers later in the week. It's not looking like much, but anything helps, certainly, with the dry weather we've had. Let's take you through today first and foremost. First front clears the area this morning. It is brightening up this afternoon, and we've got a brisk wind from the west. But look at the second cold front. That's going to come through right here tonight. And notice it comes through dry, just some clouds. Tomorrow, we will see some cloud cover north and west in the morning with that colder push. And then we clear up, but it is going to be a breezy, much colder day. And then this big cold Canadian high centered over us for Wednesday, which is another full day of sunshine, but temperatures will be actually below average. And then Thursday, our next system approaches. You can see on Thursday morning, this is moving in from the west. It does have a decent amount of rain with it, but it looks like much of this is going to slide southward, just possibly clipping our area with a shower and more cloud cover on Thursday. So you can see rain chances are nothing to write home about. We have the 10% chance of a stray sprinkle lingering this morning, but other than that, we are dry tomorrow and Wednesday. And then Thursday, that next system dives to the south and may clip us with a shower, especially south of Philadelphia. South and west has the best chance, just a 20% chance of rain. So yes, we did break the dry streak. 42 days is where it stands and where it will stand probably for quite some time, but we do still need more rain, and we don't have much in the next weather 7-day forecast. Let's pull that up for you here and take you through it. You can see it's going to cool down quite a bit. We have not really had much seasonable weather here in November. It's been a very, very warm month, but now we're actually going below average. Our average high is 58. Tomorrow's high, just 54. It's a bright sunny day, but it's brisk and chilly. And then tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, we'll actually drop down to close to the freezing mark. So you'll need the coats on Wednesday, and again on Thursday, that next system approaches with clouds, cool conditions, and maybe a couple of spotty showers. But then we dry it out again, and if you're making your plans for the weekend, looks pretty good. We've got temperatures heading back to the low 60s, no 70s or 80s, but still slightly above average for Saturday and Sunday.